All right, y'all. So as y'all can see today, we got some white owls. 2 for 19. I got 3 of them. We got a multi. I don't know what's going on with my camera. Multi-use transfer pump. We got the inlet side with the white owl or the swisher or the cigar. We got the outside hose with tape right here. We got one of these rubber gloves. We cut off the tips, taped it in here, and then I wrapped it where the duct, the air filter box would be connected to the duct. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna light the white owl, and blowing enough smoke into this would allow me to be able to find out where my vacuum leak is. So this was a nice little tip that I was able to find online. Hope it helps y'all.